Welcome back to my devlog series on my survival game. In this video I'm going to go over the progress I've made the past few weeks and the stuff I'll be doing in the next few weeks too. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I've done is I've updated the inventory system, so when you press tab on the keyboard it will bring up the player's inventory. I updated a bit so we could have multiple categories, but I haven't made these categories yet. And I've also fixed the problem with the containers not showing their images for the items. So last time when you went into a container it wouldn't show the images correctly, and now you can see all the items inside a container now, and I've made it so you can pick these items up and they will transfer to the inventory. And I've made a gun item, so when you pick up the gun it will equip it to the player and you will then have a gun to shoot. At some point I do want to make it so you can unequip the gun or switch weapons or something like that, but at the moment this is what I've got. Another thing you can do is kill zombies, and these will then drop items because they have the inventory component on them as well. Something I can try fix is the zombie flies miles when you walk over it, and I might try and change the zombies to a certain enemy at some point in the future, because this isn't meant to be a zombie game, or not at the moment it isn't. Another thing I've been experimenting with is creating some sort of like water effect or like a pond, as in the future this will be a really big map and it will be on an island, and I want to know what the best way to create water is. So at the moment it's nothing much, it's just a plane with the starter glass texture, and I just made it blue and altered some of the settings on it, like the opacity and the reflection and roughness. And at the moment I think it looks alright for now, but I want to try get something more realistic later on, and maybe some like ripple effects or something. And another thing I've been experimenting with is the foliage. So I've been looking at the different settings to create more of a variety of looking trees and stuff. And all I've done is altered the minimum scale value and the maximum scale value, so then it like creates some different size trees when you place them. And the last main bit of progress I added was a climbing feature. So this would be a ladder in the game, and when you walk up to it, this red arrow is the feet component for the player, and it draws a line trace which gets the tag of the object, which is just I think ladder, and if it hits a tag with ladder or a object with ladder it will launch the character upwards using the launch character node in the blueprints. And that's about it for everything I've added. You can see I've made some UI stuff as well to display the health, and the blue bar will be a stamina bar in the future, I reckon. And I've also added a current quests like bit at the top. It's not functional yet, but I will probably add quests in the game too. So the stuff I'll be working on in the next few weeks, I reckon, will be more of the inventory components and picking up different items, working on new items and things. And I think I want to get to work on a new enemy. It's gonna be the main enemy of the game, the idea I explained in my first devlog, which will be a really slow enemy that chases you around the map. And it's only a single enemy and you can't kill it, or that's the plan at the moment anyway. But basically when he gets close to you he'd then get more aggressive or something, and he might do like a insta kill or really like a big amount of damage. But yeah, I think that's all I want to say in this video. I do want to work more on videos and more on my game, but at the moment I'm really busy with college work and I've got a lot of stuff to get done, so I might not be able to upload for a few days, or some days I won't be able to upload anyway. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.